Welcome back to Trading Strategy number 3, day 94.
How do you feel about loss? If you're like most of us, you hate loss in all the forms that it comes in. And until now, we have chatted about stop losses and how placing them is a skill. However, most people experience the same feeling of discomfort even though they are just doing exercises. Why is that? We all hate loss, real or imagined loss. What comes into many people's minds are past losses and potential future losses. That uncomfortableness with loss feels the same whether it is real or imagined. Keep doing the exercises. Why? We will discuss that a bit more tomorrow. Please scroll down the page to find the training materials for today's lesson. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.